If you're someone who struggles to create perfect wet lash fans, or you always get poor retention with them, let me fix that for you in today's video. Today, I'll be showing you all the products and techniques that I use to create the easiest, most perfect wet lash fans. To start, you're gonna need a volume tweezer. Today, I'm using Slim Boot. It's been my favorite tweezer for about 5 years now because it's super low tension and has a large sweet spot, so I can grip my fan anywhere within the tweezer without having to worry. I'll be using our brown Angel Lashes for today's demo because they're super beginner friendly and the most versatile pre-made fan option that we carry. So here we have our beautiful Angel Lashes, and a little fun fact about the tray is that we specifically designed them so that you can lash directly from it, which I personally love doing. Or if you like to work off of a tile but don't have one that's big enough for your lash strip, you can lash directly from the back of the tray like this, which is what we'll be doing for today's demo. All right, let's get into it. So I'm going to line up my tweezer so that it's perfectly parallel to the lash strip, and then I'm going to angle the tip of my tweezer slightly upwards so that I can grip closer to the tips. That will help keep them closed. And then I'm going to slide the wet lash fan in between the tweezer tips. Often the fan will brush along the back side of the tweezer, which is totally fine. And once the fan is in the sweet spot of my tweezer, I'm going to grip with most of my pressure and then gently pull towards myself to release it from the strip. Easy as that. I'll show one more time. One thing I often see when we do trainings is that artists will grip their wet lash fans too close to the tips of their tweezers, preventing them from gripping enough lashes at once, or they just fall out of the tweezer tips. If you do this, no worries, I also did it in the beginning. So what you want to do instead is you want to make sure that you are sliding the fan over closer towards the middle or wherever the sweet spot in your tweezer is, so you can grip the entire fan without it falling apart or compromising the shape. Once you got it, just pull towards yourself. It's really that easy. Now, you don't have to grip the entire Angel Lash fan if you don't want to. You can totally grip half for your super natural or hyper realistic lash sets. This will also double the amount of lashes you have in your tray, so it'll last a bit longer. One thing I love about these lashes is that I never have to worry about the weight. One Angel Lash is a 5D 0.03 fan, which is even lighter than a standard 3D fan. Isn't that crazy? So it's suitable for almost anyone's natural lash health. Personally, I find that I'm able to speed up my services even more when I can just grip a bundle of lashes without having to worry about it being too heavy. Now, earlier I mentioned that this is the most versatile pre-made fan option that we carry, and here's why. You can literally create any fan you like with these lashes because they come loose at the base, allowing you to remold it into whatever fan shape you like. The loose base also makes it super easy to wrap around the natural lash for amazing retention. So to create a fan, I'm going to pick up my Angel Lash the same way as before, except this time you don't have to grip close to the tips because we're not worried about keeping those closed. And I'm going to lay the fan back down onto the strip. From here, I'm going to simply fan off the strip to create an open fan, like so. You can use whichever fanning method you like. You can pinch or shimmy or whatever you prefer. By the way, we teach all of these fanning methods in our online volume mastery course. If you're interested in taking it, just reach out below and we'll send you the link. Lastly, let's create a wet lash spike. This is super easy because all you need to do is dip a micro swab into your 4-play lash product, dab the excess on a lint-free glue wipe, then run it along the tips of the lashes and watch those tips close to a perfect point for your anime, textured, and strip lash looks. And there you have it. Those are my top tips for creating perfect wet lash fans and how I'm able to get the most out of my Angel Lash tray, which we also carry in black, by the way. You can find these on our website and shop them for 20% off with this discount code. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, and we'll see you back here next week for another tutorial. Bye, guys.